What's up guys? So we're back with another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have VZ102678 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now this is a spoiler for our Z06 style, and that's for a Corvette C8 Stingray. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. Now guys, this is how you will receive your spoiler if you've gone ahead and ordered one. And then on the inside, it should already be packaged with foam, as you can see here, like so. Then you'll also get an included bag of hardware, which includes your brackets, as well as some foam pieces that'll stick to the bottom to help reduce vibration and weather seepage getting into your trunk. Now, we can go ahead and pull the entire thing out. And as you guys can see, it's very well protected on the inside. Now we can go ahead and remove the foam and open the actual spoiler itself. And this is one of our aluminum spoilers. Now once I get it unpackaged, you'll be able to see the really nice finish it has on it. It's super glossy and it reflects really well. Now we can go ahead and open the other part of our spoiler, which should be the base of it. And this also has a finish to match the spoiler. And then this is where the spoiler will actually mount to, and then mount to the car itself. Now if I go Now from here, I can go ahead and show you how the two pieces will fit inside of each other. And this is just a mock-up fit without the brackets and everything. Once you have the brackets installed and everything, it'll actually sit up a little bit higher off of the base. Now let's go ahead and get a close-up of the hardware so you can see how everything goes together and what all it comes with. Now your brackets are actually indicated which one's right and left, as to not get them mixed up when installing them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos, just scroll through our page.